I picked up a SE625 Brother computerized embroider sewing machine. It has the one-touch advanced needle threading system, an easy bobbin winder, a color touch LCD, on-screen instructions, USB drive, super bright LED light, jam resistant quick set drop in bottom, and the 4x4 hoop. And it also has the free arm for sewing. It's a sewing and embroidery machine. Okay, so we've opened the box, and this is what comes in it. You have your cover, your hoop, and your guide, which is the little graph. You have your presser foot, your cord, and a little box of goodies. Looks like needles, scissors, little tools. And then you have the machine. You have your book. The machine actually is not heavy, so that's good. And then you have the arm, the embroidery arm. Alright, so I just opened up the owner's manual, and this is what came in it. It's 200 embroidery designs, so we'll look at that shortly. And it's your information about embroidery, where you can download Disney designs. You cannot sell the designs that you've downloaded, but you can stitch them on personal items. So that's nice. I'm sure my daughter will love that. And your Brother's warranty that comes with the machine. Your quick reference guide to keep handy. And your embroidery design guide. So that's pretty nice that they give you a catalog with all the designs of it and the color charts. Let me see if I can. So that's nice. It's a nice addition. All of your parts, accessories that came with the machine. And your manual. So let's break this quick reference guide out and see what we can do about getting this set up. Okay. What we're going to need to do is remove this portion. It is like a little toolbox that you can store all your stuff in. And you'll also need to pull this off for, I'm thinking, the embroidery arm. So you just pull it out. And then there, that opens you up to remove the shipping tape. And then that exposes your threading, bobbin, and all of that. So we need to remove some more tape, and I'll bring you back once we get it started. Alright, so we just need to slide on the embroidery arm, and you just slide it until it clicks. I need to click it a little bit more. There we go. So now it is ready to plug in. Okay, we have it plugged in. It's super easy. Just plug the cord in over here on the side and then just find a 110 outlet. This is for US power. And now we're going to load the bottom. I'm going to try and set you go. Your bobbin is loaded. Door back on. And as you can see, it has the sewing presser foot on it. So we're going to need to change that over to the embroidery one, and I need to locate that, so I will bring it back. Okay, in the unboxing I actually missed this little guy. It was tucked in with the styrofoam. So make sure you look through your box and make sure you have all the pieces out. Actually, what I went back and did is looked at what my included accessories were and seen, I was missing a lot of stuff. So I went back through the box. So don't throw away your box until you have everything hooked up. And then this includes all of your feet, additional bobbins, pre-wound bobbins, and all of your feet along with your embroidery. This is your embroidery foot. So we'll get that installed and we'll be right back. Okay, so to install your embroidery foot, this is your like screwdriver thing, and you'll see right here you just lefty loosey and then your foot falls. Okay, we got the machine set for embroidery and we're getting ready to stitch number 35 on the built-in designs. It's a little Christmas tree and I figured it's appropriate for this time of year, and we're just going to do a test stitch. So here's number 35. We're going to set it. And we are going to trace. It's always a good habit to trace. Can't see. And that way we know the needle's not going to be hitting the hoop. So we're going to set OK because it looked good. And now we're going to get ready to start the embroidery. Okay, so we got the design loaded, and then you just need to press your presser foot down. In the up position, there's the red light, and when you move it down and the green light appears, that means you are ready to start going. So let's get rolling. You're going to want to get yourself a good pair of scissors. They're worth their weight in gold. So let's change this color. And it's going to be red. And I guess I'm just going to change the color. You're going to want to lift your presser foot and pull your thread. Always pull it out from the bottom. It won't mess with your tension disc. Alright, so we're done embroidering. So now what we're gonna do is remove it from the hoop. And bring it out and cut the jump stitches. So we'll bring it back for the finished design. And again, this is the Brothers SE 625 from Walmart for $380. And here is the stitch out with the jump stitches. I think it's a pretty great value. Alright, I'll bring it back when we're done. Okay, we're back. This is our final stitch out with the jump stitches cut. And this was embroidered on an SE 625. Purchased from Walmart for $380. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.